Let's talk about what to expect with this wintry rain snow mix. Most of the Big Bend is going to be looking at cold rain for most of this event. Now, if you're north of Interstate 10 and South Georgia, that's where I'm anticipating more of a rain snow mix. And as far as any accumulation is concerned, the bigger numbers are going to be the rainfall. Half inch to an inch is anticipated. In terms of snow, it's little to none anticipated with the snowfall. Big reason why, number one, it's been raining all overnight, so it's hard to get the snow to stick to the ground when you have had rain and temperatures above freezing most of the overnight. Now, I did just see an update both on the radar and from the Blakely Airport. You can see the blue finally starting to move into South Georgia. So if you're watching me in Blakely, good morning to you. And in Colquitt, where we're starting to see some snow showers move in. Remember, I talked about this bright banding? That's the snow layer melting and turning into rain near the surface. So cold air continues to kind of filter in from west to east. But if you're watching not in Blakely or Colquitt, Donaldsonville getting a rain snow mix. It's rain for Valdosta, Madison, Live Oak, Jasper, Statenville, Perry, Woodville, Crawfordville, Tallahassee, Quincy, Midway, Hosford, all looking at light cold showers at this point. A big reason why? Temperatures. They're not below freezing. Matter of fact, we're in the 40s for most spots like Tallahassee, Thomasville 41, 44 Valdosta, 46 with showers in Perry, Apalachicola 42. You can see these showers falling courtesy of WeatherStem over Doak Campbell Stadium. Now, as far as this wintry mix, depending on where you're at, is really dependent on the type of weather you're going to see. Mostly a mix and snow showers for folks in Bainbridge, Donaldsonville, Colquitt, and Blakely now starting to see the snow mix in. And you could be looking at snow showers for 1 to 3 hours. So there could be a light accumulation, especially on grassy surfaces across South Georgia. Now, from Hosford to Quincy, Midway, Tallahassee, Cairo, Thomasville, and Moultrie, probably looking at mostly showers with some snowflakes mixing in at times. The farther south and east you are, Crawfordville, Woodville, Perry, Monticello, Madison, Live Oak, Statenville, Jasper, Mayo, we're looking at primarily rain out of this event. That's because you're going to be above freezing for most of the weather event, whereas areas like Blakely are starting to see temperatures below freezing throughout the atmosphere. So that's why you're getting the snowflakes, but the majority of us are looking at cold air in the upper levels of the atmosphere and warm air near the surface. So mostly rain with a couple of snowflakes mixed in, again, primarily north of Interstate 10. A lot to talk about, so let's put this all together in Futurecast hour by hour. Mostly rain for the majority of the Big Bend in South Georgia, slowly transitioning into snow showers. I think finally our in-house model doing a pretty good job showing it's mostly snow showers across southwest Georgia. The rest of the area looking at mostly a cold rain. That is going to continue to be the case through most of the morning. This is 11 o'clock. Still looking at some ongoing snow showers for Bainbridge to Cairo into parts of Colquitt County, maybe Moultrie. Still looking at some snow showers. But again, Tallahassee, Perry, Crawfordville, Madison, most of the Bend looking at primarily a cold rain through this event. I think after lunchtime we start to dry things out, and by 2 o'clock all the rain and wintry mix is out of here. So bottom line with today's weather setup, we've got cold rain and a rain snow mix, very dependent on where you're at, ending by 2 o'clock. Snow totals are going to be under an inch, mainly accumulating on the grassy surfaces or higher elevations, rain a ½ inch to 1 inch, and behind all this breezy conditions where we could be looking at gusts up to 25 miles per hour. After today's wintry mess, it's going to be a cold start tomorrow morning in the 20s. Not much warmer by the afternoon. Plenty of